Alright, you guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm a little bit more nervous filming here because there is a lot more people around. I can hear and listen, but yeah, I just wanted to record this story because it's really crazy. So if you guys watched my last video, which if you haven't watched it yet, go back and watch that video because that explains why I'm even in the airport and why I'm doing this, even though I was like still sick and I wasn't planning to go until like the end of this month or maybe next month. And then I just decided that I would just go now. So anyway, yeah, check out my last video if you haven't seen it yet. Also, you guys, I'm still going to be posting an assumptions video, so comment your assumptions down below in this video about me or about anything, I guess, about me, because I'm going to respond to them and answer all of their questions and everything. So yeah, just comment your assumptions down below. But anyway, so this is kind of like a crazy thing too. So since I planned on Sunday that I was going to fly Tuesday, I didn't have that much time to do things. And there was some stuff that like I really had to get and make sure I had and everything. And so I have my like bank account set up where there's an account that I found that actually my friend found it for me, and it actually gives you like a higher interest rate. So it has like a much higher interest rate than other regular accounts. But the only thing about it is that it never lets you transfer your money out the same day. So if you try and transfer it on the weekend, it makes you wait like 3 days or something to get your money. Or if you transfer it during the week, like if you try and transfer it on a Monday, then you won't get it until Tuesday. So it's like you can never get it immediately. So that was the situation. So on Sunday, when I decided to fly, I think I waited until Monday to transfer it out. Because if I transferred my money Sunday, I would have had to wait till like Wednesday or something. But if I transferred my money Monday, I could have gotten it Tuesday, which is this morning. So I waited until yesterday and transferred my money into my other account where I could like go to the ATM and get it. And then I was supposed to go pick it up yesterday at the ATM, but then it was like I ran out of time because I had like 10 other errands I had to do. I actually was having like a problem with my shower at my house, so I had to go to my sister's house to use her shower. And then it turned out that her shower was like the exact same as my shower. So I had driven like a half hour to her house, didn't use her shower, and then drove a half hour back to my house. And this was all like late at night. This was like almost at 11 at night. So anyway, so then once I couldn't get my shop, once I didn't get the money that day, so I was supposed to go to the bank Monday. And then I was like, okay, no problem. Like my flight's not until like 4 today. So I was like, okay, I'll go to the bank this morning. And to be honest, you guys, I still wasn't going to take out that much money. I was still only going to take out like $100. Last time I was there, I was in Jamaica for a month and I only took out $400, which I also had a debit card. Like every time I go, I have a debit card with me. So it's not like I don't have money. I'm just talking about cash, you guys. So anyway, yeah, I was going to take out some money this morning, but I was only going to take out $100. But then I ran out of time. I left like a bunch of things to do until this morning, which was like pretty stupid. Like I was literally going to drive all the way to Ulta, which is like a makeup store, to get this makeup remover that I wanted. And that was like so dumb. I don't know why I was doing that. I originally last night at like 11 at night went out to CVS to try and get the same thing because I wanted a little travel size bottle. Oh, let me show you guys. Never mind. I was going to get it from my bag, but I'm too lazy. I ended up just getting the big one and poured it into a little travel size container. But anyway, so I was going to go to the bank this morning. Long story short, I ran out of time. And then I realized I only had $25 in like a little envelope from Chase that I had gotten like weeks ago. Like I just happened to find it. I literally would have been flying with zero money. But I found $25 in a little Chase envelope. And to be honest, I'm not even sure I have it. Like I just remember seeing it the other day, and I think I put it in my backpack that I bring with me, but I honestly don't know. So I might be traveling. I don't want to say it too loud, but I might be traveling with like $0 cash, a debit card, and $0 cash. But I think I do have $25. But yeah, so I'm not entirely sure. I haven't said that to you know who because he's going to be pretty annoyed. Every time I come and I have like no money, he's like really annoyed. No, I shouldn't say it like that. I have money, but I never bring cash. And he's always like frustrated. The last time when I brought $400, he was also really frustrated. So I think this time if I come with $25, he's going to be annoyed. But so I think until I can get more cash, I'm just going to spend the $25 at that little click shop or I can get like that. It was in a video that I made you guys the other day. What how the video was how much can 25 no it was what can $10 get you in a small village in Jamaica. I think that was the video, and in that video I found like a little chicken place that had like it was a pretty big container. Well, it was like a medium container, fried chicken, rice and peas, and some vegetables. I think the vegetables was like carrots and cabbage. So that was really good. So until I can get more cash, I'm just going to be using that little chicken place, and all my meals will be 250, and it'll be perfect. Um, but in the airport now, you guys, I just got this bag of chips. I was going to go to, there's like right across from here, there's like a little restaurant called La Carita. It's a Cuban restaurant, which is funny because I never eat Cuban food here. I never eat out in general, but there's so many Cuban restaurants. So maybe I'm going to try that. It smells really good. I'm still not sitting at my exact gate because my gate's like a few doors down. Um, but anyway, back to my story. I want to give you guys like a pro tip because usually when I'm there, I mean, it's not really a pro tip. It's actually like what I do because I don't plan ahead. But when I don't bring cash, like usually I just ask like either my sister or my parents or something if they can Western Union me money, and then I just send them the same amount of money back. So it's like just a trade. But the only thing is like Western Union is if you can't pick up more than like $200 or $300 at once or something like that. And also the lines are really long. So that's like the only negative thing is like the lines are long. But other than that, it's good. So hopefully you guys can hear me. I just wanted to record this video so that I get something done today, and also like the first few days when I'm going to be there, I feel like I'm still going to be filming videos, but it's a little bit harder for me to like edit videos. So yeah, I just wanted to get that done. This is being filmed on my computer, you guys. Hopefully it's a little bit better. Hopefully you guys can hear me. And yeah, that's all. I'm going to, oh, actually, the other thing, you guys, is every time I fly there, it's like I can't communicate with Jason like at all. So it's like I just have to like pray that he's like at the airport because my WhatsApp has a problem. And so every time I get to the airport, I always have to like ask them if I can use their phone. And usually I fly into, well, I prefer to fly into Kingston, but today I'm flying into Montego Bay because I don't know why. I think it was like a cheaper flight or something. For like the last million times I flew into Kingston, so it's like I know that airport a lot better. But yeah, so I think today I'm just going to, not I think, I'm already here. So yeah, I'm going to fly into Montego Bay, and I'm super tired because I went to sleep at like 1 last night. So yeah, I am going to end the video here, you guys. I'm going to eat these chips. Thank you for watching. Sorry, this is like a little makeshift video, but oh, by the way, they don't require masks in airports anymore. That's like a big development. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to record this video. I'm going to listen to some music while I wait, eat my chips, drink some water probably, and the next time you guys see me, I will be landed in Jamaica. All right, bye guys.